Hopefully working now. Please do a worky. Worky. Oh no. Hey, is it working now? Yeah, I hope it is working. It's working now? Say yes. Yes. Please do work. I am now one of those old chat disconnected, unable to connect to chat. No, I want chat. Pop up chat. Chat is also working now, so you can comment. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, where should this go? I have a small screen, right? This can go. Stay away. Okay, so basically where I am is I am studying capitalism, and basically I'm on effects of capitalism. So he is debating, the authors are debating that the cause of industrial revolution, we're actually studying effects of industrial revolution, actually, like how industrial revolution, after the industrial revolution, here I'm plotting GDP, here I'm plotting time. So this is what Europe was, and this was industrial revolution. So I have this, there is this really cool philosophy that used to work earlier called Malthusian trap. Just a minute. So the Malthusian trap, I hope I am pronouncing it जो भी होता है, Malthusian trap, which basically says if people make more, they have more kids since they can afford it. Then to support those more kids, they work on making more. And they are trapped in this vicious cycle where the standard of living never improves in the long run. So they had this really cool graph where they showed the population growth versus time and the GDP per capita. GDP per capita is GDP of country divided by population. So it is average income per person. So this was population earlier, something like this, population, and this was GDP per capita. But then this started to happen because of the industrial revolution. So basically this period uh, justified the, here the guy Malthus made the theory, and this, his theory was based on this evidence, which we can say is a Malthusian period. So the industrial revolution basically broke this norm. Okay, so we're on the industrial revolution now. No, page down. Okay. Economists have much to learn from historians, but often historians' argument is not precise enough to be testable using a model. The approach we will use in this unit. Okay, so you're roasting historians. On the other hand, historians may regard economics model as simplistic, ignoring important historical facts. क्या बात है? This creative tension is what makes economic history. Okay. Recently, historians have made progress in quantifying economic growth over the very long run. Their work helps clarify what happened, which makes it easier for us to think about why it happened. So these economic historians, so the history part tells what happened, and the economic part of the job quantifies it. It quantifies what happened so we can judgment make then judgments about why it happened. Cool. So real wages, we compare real wages. This is part of the quantification. Right. The national trajectories of the early followers were influenced in part by Britain. Germany, for example, could not compete with Britain in textiles, but the government and large banks played okay. So Germany did not go to the way of the textile, which was to automate the mills and stuff. They had the steel and heavy industries. Japan outcompeted Britain in some places. Okay. Because near Japan, no one had taken up capitalism and the Industrial Revolution. Japan selectively copied both technology and institutions, introducing the capitalist economic system while retaining many traditional Japanese institutions. India and China provide even greater contrast. India is roasted a lot. Mm, India, by contrast, is the first major economy in history to have adopted democracy prior to its capitalist revolution. So, usually in most places, capitalism has actually preceded democracy. It has happened first at T1 and democracy happened later. T2